The overall goal of the following experiment is to generate structure-switching aptamers for integration as recognition elements on detection platforms that function by signaling a change in aptamer conformation upon target binding. This is achieved by adding a biotinylated capture probe and complementary DNA library to streptavidin-coated magnetic beads to immobilize the DNA library on the bead surface. Next, a magnet is applied to the solution to partition the binding sequences from the non-binding sequences remaining on the beads. The retained sequences are then purified and amplified for the next round of selection. After a few rounds of selection, a negative selection step is added into the process. After several rounds of selection, the selected aptamer demonstrates a structural change upon target binding based on a gold nanoparticle target detection assay.
The main advantage of this technique over existing techniques like solution-based CellX is that we don't have to immobilize the target to a solid support.
So the implications of this technique are in the risk assessment of the physiological state of an individual, and it's due to the fact that cortisol is an indicator of stress, which can lead to the assessment of health issues.
Always use freshly prepared DNA solutions for this protocol, specifically for the target and control. The preparation of the DNA requires special attention. Transfer a 100 microliter aliquot of the DNA library into a